Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks you later. Enable remote desktop on the host and grant your user account access. This avoids denied login errors. Once done, verify the client and host are patched to the same protocol family because mismatched updates cause handshake failures. Make sure Windows Firewall or any endpoint security allows RDP port 3389, otherwise packets are dropped. Finally, test basic connectivity with ping and an IP address to rule out DNS issues before moving on. Once prerequisites pass, dig into network translation and authentication. If you reach the host through a router, confirm NAT and port forwarding are correct. If using VPN, ensure tunnel routes the RDP subnet. Use the IP address directly and test the port with Telnet or Testnet connection to see if 3389 responds. Make sure network-level authentication and certificate policies match on both sides because strict NLA or missing certs will block sessions. If group policy enforces encryption or disabled older protocols, adjust or update the client accordingly. You finish by restarting services and validating logs to catch residual issues. Restart remote desktop services on the host. If that fails, reboot the machine to clear hung sessions and locked resources. Then inspect event viewer and RDP-specific logs for authentication or listener errors, and check the router log for dropped connections. If problems persist, temporarily open a firewall rule or test an alternate port to bypass ISP port blocks. Just remember to secure any temporary change. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.